Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the edges of the module and lift it out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it back to the system. Flip the front panel and secure the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.